We just picked up a girl. Threw in the back of the sports car.
So how you guys get this nice car? You rented it?
For YouTubers. Yo, what's her name? Are you still down?
Another video?
You down?
What is this for?
It's just for TikTok. This is gonna be an interview.
I could be on Instagram, yeah? Yeah, let me put my Instagram there.
On my phone?
Yeah. Well, let me
She
see
said
my content, so I'll see
I don't know. This is my new girlfriend. I'm just. What is the real word? We in LA today. This is for YouTube.
Babe, also, I need to get paid.
Hey.
I like spending here like money.
So what's it?
She said she need to get paid. She don't know she already getting paid. YouTube, I'm dead. I tried to pull the convertible joke. I said I drove here in a convertible. It didn't work. Lesson known, bro. The supercars don't work, Ben.
Yeah, fine. It's like that.
He said it gets like that. This nigga Ben went and got that girl. I told him hop out and get that girl.
Like street interviews and shit.
Yeah, basically just do all that sort of street interviews as well.
Okay.
What's it, your Instagram?
Yeah, I'm curious.
Yeah, let me so slow the thing.
So how you guys get this nice car? You rented it?
For YouTubers.
Influencers, you know.
A YouTuber.
I'm a YouTuber.
Okay. Oh, you actually are. Although I'm sorry for
She's
joking
going
about
this up.
that.
What you
Any
mean?
further?
That's great.
Oh yeah, actually no, I just pulled this out. I'm bugging.
So y'all came. How long have you guys been in LA?
I've been in LA for like a couple months now.
Girl at the back.
Man. She's good, man. She's good. Light work, man. Look at this guy, man. Told me I was gonna be in shock. You're a joker.
Yeah, I got your ass. Hey, YouTube, we on Saks Fifth Avenue. We just picked up a girl. Threw in the back of the sports car. 21, picking up girls on LA, throwing them in the back of sports cars. My bro rizzing her up right now. My friend rizzing her up. And we going to Saks Fifth. We going to Saks Fifth. We in Saks Fifth.
A lot of people that kind of do this thing, some of them are a bit on the but like, I don't always have to do shit on TV.
Yeah.
I need to go to Toronto. Him?
Oh, why do you say that?
You actually would too. You guys get very Ontario, East Coast.
I'm from the East Coast. East Coast girl. You a West Coast girl.
I definitely am. Yeah.
West Coast
Always
girl.
West Coast.
Because I rock these. What the fuck? Those look like SpongeBob boots. Big ass boots.
Oh, would you rock those? No.
I wouldn't
Stop
choose
it.
to. I wouldn't choose to, but if I had to, I would do it.
You can't even wear jeans with them.
Shoes that you wear like on a farm and that, like.
But if you have style, like anything can look cute.
Nice to meet you.
You can put your stuff down right here if you want.
You want anything to drink?
You can keep your shoes on.
You want anything to drink?
Hey, and we playing both sides, hey, and I'm up like high tide, yeah, hey, and I'm high like high five, hey, they can't find me, I spy, hey, and it's okay, I'm on God, hey, and it's okay, I'm on drive, yeah, go ahead.
Your rap is like low-key actually really good. It sounds really I play your shit like I don't know over the last couple of weeks. And I think it sounds like normal rap, like
Yeah, oh, they think he can spit.
I think it could be someone on the radio.
Yeah, he can spit for real.
Yeah, like, it's really good. It's actually good. Like you've got the voice. Like
21 Savage.
yeah, he's really good. You sound professional, is what I'm saying.
Yeah.
It's good.
Man, I'll be real to you. Since I've heard this music, I've not realised that actually him. I think he does all that, bro.
That's what happens to me.
It is. It is professional though.
Yeah, you're pro. You sound well, you are pro. Yeah, there you go.
You sound pro. Loki, you know, like
Spit, yeah.
oh yeah.
Spit,
Fuck, man.
Hey, Nigga, get in the camera.
I'm gonna go like this.
With all the shit and crack rocks and making all the money. The shit ain't funny. A lifestyle living, yeah, that shit was really gully. I'm pushing work, if you know what I've really done. But I don't give a fuck while I push this money on and doing all this shit. I ain't getting burned. My niggas do this shit, man, there's no ways to turn. Around the strip, on the clip, with full clip, with fuck, you know I'm doing this shit.
Okay, man.
I'm waving, that's what I mean to that. That's what I mean, I'm waving. Nah, don't gas the thing.
You wanna spit still? You still wanna spit?
Yeah, I can spit.
Let's see what you're doing.
That was a warm-up. That was a warm-up. I'm not that shit. Okay.
Oh, honey, weed.
You go,
Yeah. I'm leaving like 5 minutes. I'm just waiting for my assistant to confirm. Huh? Oh yeah, I'll go to see in like 4 minutes. Oh, I know.
Bitch, I'm a monster, female Godzilla. Step on my toes, swear to God, I'll kill you. You see me in the street looking sweet and delicious. Handle your appetite, trust me, I'm vicious. I'm up in the dude's house, middle of the west. Gonna ask me all about my skin and my hair. Ask me shit on the street, acting crazy. Come back to my house, and trying to call me baby. Hold up, cause you act a little wavy. It's cool though, maybe. Pull back, cause it's about to get crazy. Call another girl if it's a sausage party, baby. Look, I don't know. I read all the words there.
Okay.
That's fresh off the dome. It's not my strong.
You not spitting, Ben?
Hell, get me on this beat. Oh, you catch me off guard.
It's okay.
I'm really out here, man. I'm surfing on the wave. You see now it's poppin', man. It's poppin' champagne. The lifestyle I'm living, yeah, it's rate all different. I went from the block, now I'm out in sunny LA. I'm out here to get paid. I'm doing what I like as an influencer. Doing all this shit, man. I'm moving like Wu-Tang. Then you see me riding straight up a Mustang. It's different out here. Whippiness is cruising, 100 miles per hour. That's a fast lane. You know, gotta do this shit. I gotta make that brain. You know about me, man. I'm really in the mains. Hey.
In the mains. With your shorty, we gon' bang. And we get it with your name. I ain't rocking no chains cause it's on the fucking West Coast. That's a no motherfucking stress coast. Light it up like it's toast. Yeah, I'm rich, not to boast. Yeah, hey, we done.
Hey.
Yeah. Hey.
Yeah, hey. I say yeah. Hey, somebody get a fire. Hey, somebody coming for me. I'm about to get low. Hey.
I like that. That could have been a song right there. Next time, don't hop in a stranger's car.